Hello and welcome to Global One Media. Joining me today is Trevor Boyd, the Vice President of Exploration at Canadian North Resources, an exploration company that focuses on exploration assets in Canada. And he's here to discuss the latest updates from CNRI. Hello, Trevor. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for inviting me.
So your exploration program for 2022 includes 60 drilling holes, and you have so far received the assay results for 28 of those holes. Can you tell us about those results?
The results are very positive to date. We have particularly with respect to we've been able to intersect both extensions of the massive sulfide zone and as well the footwall PGE zone, and that is very interesting because it bears out what we found with the initial resource estimate we announced during the summertime, that the two zones do continue and have great potential.
And what do those results say about the mineralization zone?
We have been focusing, the first 28 holes are basically the results from the spring program, and they focus on drilling on Ferguson Lake on the water. We have managed to demonstrate that the east zone extends into the water about to the west into the lake about 700 meters, and the west zone extends into the lake to the east about 600 meters. And what's we're particularly excited about the west zone drilling, because it is, the results there are higher grade and wider than what we have intersected in the main west zone to date. Some of the best results in that recent news release show that.
That's excellent. And so far, these are only the results from 28 drilling holes, and there remains 32 other holes. Do you have a timeline for exploring those holes and receiving the results?
Yes, we are drilling as I speak. We are continuing the program, and we have completed. We've been drilling all summer, and those holes are that drilling is continuing to focus on both delineating the zones and upgrading them to indicated category, and as well extending the zones. In this case, these plumber holes down dip for the west zone, and also to extending the east zone further to the east. As well, we've been doing a few reconnaissance holes, which of outlining areas of good potential, and these results are pending.
You've added a third drill rig to the Ferguson Lake project. How will this impact the project?
The third drill is a deep drill, a very powerful one, and capable of drilling 1,200 meters. So we're using that drill to test some very deep targets down dip for the main west zone, particularly the main west extension, and to show that the blue sky potential of this project. As mentioned in the resource estimation, we know that the blue sky potential for the west zone to plunge at those depths continuing in a continuing manner, but we also believe that there's that the whole west zone extends to that depth down dip throughout its full horizon.
That's excellent and very promising. Trevor, thank you very much, and we look forward to receiving the next updates from CNRI.
Thank you very much. I'd add that we will continue drilling right into the middle of October. As I speak, we have of those 60 holes, we're actually going to be about 65 And we've completed over 50 of those holes now, and we should make, we're quite confident we'll make our target of 60 holes and 15,000 meters of drilling this year.
We're looking forward to hearing the next positive news.
Thank you very much. That will be once all the results are completed, we will be releasing them in the fall.
All right. Thank you, Trevor.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me again.